Eustoma, also known as lisianthus, is one of the most elegant flowering plants you can grow at home. It is also one of the slowest and most demanding from seed. Once the first green threads appear on the surface, the real work begins. This stage is all about protecting every single sprout, preventing stretching, and preparing the seedlings for a smooth transplant later in the season. Let's start with the #1 killer of young Eustoma: wrong watering. These seedlings have extremely fine roots, so they cannot handle either drought or standing water. Follow these simple rules. Keep the surface slightly moist, never soaked. Use a spray bottle or bottom watering so you do not wash away or bury the seedlings. Avoid wetting the leaves. Constant moisture on the tiny leaves encourages fungal problems and can cause the seedlings to rot at the base. Water less often but more thoughtfully. Wait until the top of the soil just begins to lighten in color, then gently moisten again so the roots get air as well as water. If you plant it in a covered seed tray or mini greenhouse, open the lid daily to remove condensation and let in fresh air. This reduces the risk of mold and damping off disease around the stems. The second crucial factor is light. Without enough light, Eustoma seedlings quickly start stretching, leaning and falling over. Once they become leggy, it is almost impossible to fix. Aim for long, bright days, around 12 to 14 hours of light in total. Natural winter light is usually not enough, so add a grow light placed just above the seedlings. Keep the light source close but not hot. Position the lamp about 10 to 15 centimeters, or 4 to 6 inches, above the seedlings so they grow compact and sturdy instead of reaching up desperately. Rotate the tray regularly if you use a window, or make sure the light comes from directly above. This stops seedlings from bending in one direction and keeps growth symmetrical. If you notice the seedlings suddenly stretching, it is almost always a sign that the light is too weak or too far away. React quickly by improving the lighting. The third key to strong Eustoma seedlings is the right temperature balance. Many beginners keep them too warm all the time, which makes them grow soft and elongated. Try to recreate a gentle contrast between day and night. During the day, keep them in moderate warmth, around normal room temperature. This supports active growth without stressing the plants. At night, let the temperature drop a bit. Slightly cooler nights help harden the seedlings, slow down excessive stretching, and encourage stronger root development. Avoid placing the tray directly above a radiator or in a very hot, stagnant corner. Eustoma prefers fresh air movement and stable, mild conditions rather than heat and dryness. Continue this careful routine until the seedlings are strong enough to be pricked out into individual cells or pots. During this period, your main goals are simple. Keep every seedling alive by avoiding overwatering and physical damage. Maintain compact, short growth with plenty of light and slightly cooler nights. Watch carefully for any signs of fungus, mold, or yellowing leaves, and adjust watering and ventilation immediately. Do not rush to transplant. Wait until the seedlings develop several true leaves and look sturdy enough to handle a gentle move. Strong, well-prepared seedlings will adapt far better to transplanting and will later reward you with healthy, long-lasting blooms. If you are sowing Eustoma in January or February, these first weeks after germination will decide your entire season. Treat your tiny seedlings with patience. Give them balanced water, light, and temperature, and you will avoid the most common mistakes that lead to losses and stretched plants. If this guide helped you feel more confident with your Eustoma seedlings, hit like, subscribe for more detailed seed-to-flower tutorials, and tell us in the comments how your lisianthus are doing this year.